Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use and work with percentages on the TI-30XS Multiview calculator. To do that, we'll be using the second function key that looks like this, located here, the left bracket key with the second function of percentage, looks like this, located here, and the right bracket key with the second function of into percentage, that looks like this, located here. First off, if we wanted to, say, find out what 12% of 1,500 is, we would do that by first entering the 12, and then the second function left bracket key to put a percentage there, and then we multiply that by 1,500 and press enter. And we see that 12% of 1,500 is 180, which is correct. What if we wanted to find out what percentage of 880 is 660? Well, to do that, we start by entering the 660, and then we divide by 880, and then we use the second function right bracket key, which is the into percentage. There we go, and press enter. And we see this gives us 75%. So we know that 660 is 75% of 880. Percentages are great when working with taxes and discounts. For example, if we wanted to add a 15% tax to a $2,500 object and figure out how much that would cost, we would start by finding out how much 15% of 2,500 is. So, like before, we go 15% times 2,500. See that this gives us 375. We then add that to our original value, which was 2,500, and get a final value of 2,875, which is correct. We can do all of this in one line rather than doing it in two calculations by using brackets. So if we wanted to do this, we would put the 2,500 on there first, say plus, and then we would do a bracket, and then do our 15%, so 15% times 2,500. There we go. So we know the order of operations will give us 2,500 plus 15% of 2,500. And we see that we get 2,875, which we already know is correct. So there we go. We can find discounts the same way. Let's say we wanted to discount an object that was 3,500 by 25%. To do that, we would first put the 3,500 on our screen, and then minus bracket, and then we want to find the 25% of 3,500. So again, 25% times 3,500, close our bracket, and press enter. And there we go. We get 2,625, which is correct. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.